Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Memorizing Characters. In this radical tutorial serial, I decode basic Chinese character components in plain English to help you memorize Chinese words effortlessly. Today we are learning a frame radical called three-sided frame radical, 三框栏. Three-sided frame radical. First, let's figure out what the frame radical means and where it usually appears. The three-sided frame radical is a semi-enclosed radical. It opens towards the bottom or one side, wrapping the inner part of the character. Most characters with this radical related to frames, enclosure, containers, walls, and surrounding structures. It commonly sits on the left side or opposite to half surround other character parts. Let's take some examples. 一痞区巨将 All these words have a half-frame structure wrapped by the three-sided frame radical. Now follow my hand movement to write the standard stroke of the radical. 三框栏. Once you master the radical itself, let's write out these complete characters one by one. 一 medical 痞 item 区 region 巨 giant 将 craftsman 一痞区巨将 三框栏 This radical series will keep updating constantly. In future videos, I will show you more frequently used radicals. Leave a comment below if you know other Chinese characters with the three-sided frame radical. I will answer your questions and check your practice writing in the comment section. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.